In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a purchase on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to request a refund for a transaction on Cash App. Keep in mind that while it is possible for you to do this is going to depend on a lot of limiting factors. So, whenever you have any sort of transaction in Cash App, you will be able to see its details and potentially find the refund option. So, open Cash App, go into your account, and look through your activity. On your activity, whenever you find a specific purchase that you would like to manage, just tap on it. So you can either use the search function to look for completed transactions or scroll all the way down. Now, when you tap on a specific transaction, it's going to tell you the details about it, if it was pending, if it's received, the amount, destination, identifier, and usually there will be a refund button at the top. So this button is the only way in which you can request a refund directly through Cash App by yourself, meaning that you don't have to talk to any of their customer support or do additional steps. So if you see this refund button, when you tap on a specific transaction, all that you have to do is tap refund and follow the instructions on screen. Cash App will handle the rest and it's going to refund the money accordingly. Now, if you don't see this option when you tap on a transaction, either because it is pending or even if it has been completed but there is no refund option, then this is going to be a lot more difficult. Cash App is not very clear on how the refund system works. So what you can do in this case is to go over to support. So go into your account and instead of going over to the activity, just scroll down until you find support and choose the option to start a chat with their customer support. I want to state it now and make it very clear that there is no guarantee that they can provide you with a refund. However, it is going to be the best course of action. So message them, see if they are willing to grant you the refund, just give them a genuine reaction, and they will respond to you according to what you said. And if they do, again, just leave it to them to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund a purchase on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.